The following segment is paid for by Holston Medical Group.
We know injuries happen. Maybe it's a fall while at work or an accident on the playing field. It can happen so quickly, yet lead to months of recovery. In tonight's Health Matters by Holston Medical Group, we learn about the mind-body connection and why it's so important during that healing process.
As a physical therapist, Marshall McMurray spends his days helping people get back to where they started, working with them on an exercise and treatment plan to regain mobility, strength, and confidence. He says during that recovery process, a person's attitude makes a big difference, not just emotionally, but physically.
Physical recovery is a long road, but when you see someone who is becoming not necessarily depressed, but having a lot of stress and anxiety about trying to get back to that prior level of function, that can slow things down. Frequently we see patients who have a very positive mindset and their recovery comes a lot quicker because they have less inflammation, less anxiety, less stress. The two go hand in hand.
McMurray works with people who have suffered injuries as well as those with chronic pain. He says in both cases, the mind-body connection can play an important role. While working one-on-one, McMurray watches for changes in behavior and attitude.
You don't want chronic pain to affect the mental health and lead to like a depression and anxiety scenario. Here at HMG, we try to focus on the holistic aspect of treatment. So patients who are having a little bit of a down day or something, we try to build them up and encourage them more along their recovery. That will help their mental aspect, but it also helps the physical aspect, as we mentioned.
It's important to realize, McMurray says, recovery takes time, and it's not always at a steady pace. There are ups and downs and days your body may not be performing as well. He tells his patients to strengthen their mind-body connection with a few simple techniques.
Deep breathing plays a huge role in calming the body down. There's a physiological response that goes along with that as well. So just taking in some deep breaths, try to calm your body, calm your mind, take your mind off some of the things that are affecting it.
He also encourages patients to try yoga and meditation.
The recovery is never as quick as the injury. The injury always is a quick moment in time, but recovery takes time. And it's important to keep that in mind when you're on the road to recovery.
McMurray also encourages patients to become active participants in the health journey, communicating with your physical therapist while listening to your body's cues. He says being committed to a treatment plan provides strength emotionally and physically that can last a lifetime. For more information, please visit the Health Matters blog at holstonmedicalgroup.com.